you're going to receive a packet of paper materials, and in some of those papers you're going to see a variety of activity suggestions and recommendations. And so one activity is for gross motor, and so that's going to work on the large muscles in the arms and in the legs. And so two activities that I have for you today that we use to focus on the gross motor is, first, if you have some kind of tape or something at home that you can lay down on the floor to create a line, you can encourage your child to walk heel to toe on the line. And so this is going to work on balance and coordination, which is very important to have some gross motor skills. And then the second activity, we have used a laundry basket, so if you have one at home, or a kind of a box or a bucket. And then we have socks that we rolled up into a ball. And so you'll encourage your child to toss the items into the basket, which is working on the gross motors movements in the arm. And it also works on hand-eye coordination, which is also an important balance skill. And so something else that you can do when you are able is to go to the parks and let your child climb and explore, and that's also really great to work on your gross motor as well.